My journey with Forever iVision has been amazing. It reduced my eye strain and improved my focus. This is my truthful story.
Our eyes are working overtime in this digital age, and it's time we give them the support they deserve. With all that blue light from our screens, it's no wonder eye strain is on the rise. That's where Forever iVision comes in. This isn't just any supplement, it's a powerhouse blend designed to nourish and protect your eyes. Packed with bilberry extract for antioxidants, beta-carotene for that essential vitamin A, and zinc to boost absorption, it's a complete eye care solution. But the real game changer, Lute Max 2020. This clinically studied ingredient filters out harmful blue light and supports your retina, ensuring you see colors vividly and clearly. And let's not forget about the trio of carotenoids, lutein RR-zeaxanthin and mesozeaxanthin, essential for macular health. Whether you're a teen gaming or an adult working long hours, Forever iVision is your go-to for maintaining sharp vision and fighting fatigue. It's time to take eye health seriously and embrace the future with Forever iVision.